Okay, let's take the
installed.
Which one you installed, Vaishnavi?
Oracle Java.
Okay. Can somebody share the screen and show me?
See, sir.
SDK. Let me download it Java. See, basically now latest Eclipse automatically it will take the Java from online. No need to install, but it will be better if you have installed. Let me take here access and I will give one URL and from there we will install it. No need to go here and there. Okay, can you stop, Vaishnavi?
Yeah.
Otherwise, yeah, can you stop it? I will share the URL, then I will take access of your system only. We will do it. Can you see my screen? Let me close all this.
Yeah.
Okay, let's take it our batch. Is it today? So now we are starting with the automation, whichever required. Don't forget to, referring manual testing things. It is also important. Got it, Vaishnavi, Shiva?
Yeah.
Yes.
Let's see how to Java installation. This is the directive URL which I have gathered. You can download JDK directly from here. Okay, let me ping this. Yeah. Everybody download that JDK. Okay, one second. Now, Vaishnavi, copy that link and share your screen.
Yeah. Sir, you need to stop sharing.
Yeah, I am stopping now. Yeah, you can. So now onwards, please don't miss the classes. Even though if you see the recording, it is, I can suggest to attend the live classes. Because this is the coding part, we need to keep a little bit of attention. Vishwamitra, especially for you, I think you need to concentrate more.
Yes, sir.
And hope everybody are using the Windows systems only. Correct, right? Anybody are using Mac? No, right? Vishwamitra, yours also Windows system?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Then we can download JDK here, this one, JDK Windows 64-bit. I mean, you can download it from Oracle site also. This place I found directly we can download going instead of going here and there. Here, just go here. Download. Just stand it down. I am downloading 1.8 version. I think latest it is 17 or 16, but this is enough. More than 1.8 is enough. Anything we can download. There is no issue in that. Okay, I will keep it in downloads only. I think you have shared the browser.
Yeah.
Can you share entire screen?
This is the one, sir.
Sorry. No, I can't see your other desktop and all. Just I am seeing this. I think while sharing, you have done the share only browser something.
Yeah. Sorry.
Reshare it. You can drop and you can reshare. Yes, today we will see the installation part regarding Java and Eclipse, whatever the prerequisite for automation. Vishwamitra, parallelly, you people are also doing, right? I hope everybody has downloaded that JDK1. .exe you people has to download, and hope everybody's are 64-bit operating system only. Umameshwar, Shiva.
Yeah, sir. Windows 64-bit.
Okay. Vaishnavi, are you sharing?
Yeah, sir. But it just says only select a window or an application that you want to share. I don't have an option
To share entire screen. It will be Vaishnavi.
Yeah.
Yes, now I can see. Let me. No, oh yeah, I can. Now let me take the control. Okay, where it is? It is in downloads. Yeah. So hope everybody downloaded, right?
Yes, sir.
Well, okay. Vaishnavi, you are doing something.
No, I'll just run it.
That's what either you do other. Let me do it. Okay.
Yeah.
Just double click on that. Click on next. Click on next, Vaishnavi. Something and it is coming. Yeah. Next. I think already in your system some other setup was
Yeah.
there.
No, sir. Just now I just installed it everything.
We downloaded this exe one only, right? Whichever we downloaded now.
Yeah.
You clicked on that. Okay. Next. Okay, close it, Vaishnav. One second. Go to command prompt, Vaishnav. CMD you type. Just to type Java hyphen version space hyphen hyphen version you type. Enter. So this indicate that we have installed Java successfully. Okay, Java version 1.8 we have installed. Okay, then let's set the environment variables. What is the use of setting environment variable means? This Java we can use it from any place from any application. To do that, we need to set the environment variable. Till here, everybody has done. Vishwamitra, Mameshwar. Hello. Shiva, can you hear me?
Yeah, sir.
Till here done?
Yeah, done, sir.
Okay. Now go to the program files. C folder, program file. Go to the Java and go to JDK. Go to bin folder. Just copy this path.
Yes, sir. Copied.
Copied. No, Vaishnavi, I'm also doing same parallel. Okay. Now go to search. Type environment variables. Actually, how I can go. Let me go. Yeah, can you type it, Vaishnavi? Environment variables. Just type it, environment variables. Yeah, okay, cool. Click on this one, system environment variables. Now here, click on environment variables. Vaishnavi, can you click on that environment variable? Yeah. Down, if people get down, path you click under OS system, under system variables. After OS, so there is a path. Vaishnavi got it?
Yes, sir.
Select that one.
I'll select what?
Down. There is a system variable, so separate here only in this pop-up. You have come down. There is a path. Yeah. Click on edit. Select that. Click on edit. Okay. First one you can click on edit again. Now Control V you do whatever path we have copied. We have to paste it here. Control V. Yes. Oh, okay. You do. Okay. Again. Okay. Okay. You do. Again go to command prompt. Already it has opened. Yeah. Just CLS you do clear and again do the Java version command. CLS, yeah. Now do Java - version, same thing. We need to check either, and again it's giving error. It's fine. Enter. No. Correctly you type Java space - version. Yes.
Version.
Yes.
Correct, sir.
Enter. Yes. Now everything is done. Our Java is installed properly and path also working fine. Those even can you type Java C? See, enter. Whether it's come. No, something like that. Not a recognize. Again type it.
Space C or C, sir?
Not space is not required. That. Oh, okay. It's okay, fine. Java is there. I think something going on.
No, sir. Environmental just made a mistake, I think.
What mistake?
See, it's not that copied, sir.
No, it got copied.
Okay. Yeah.
It is there correctly. It's okay. Compilation, Eclipse will take care of it.
Yeah,
Sorry?
it's now okay, sir. Okay.
No worries. It won't cause any issue. Shiva, till here done?
Yeah, done, sir.
For Java C, if you are typing, it is giving same error or it's fine?
Fine, sir.
I mean, it is giving the compilation results.
Yes, sir.
It is not showing like a Java C is not recognized like that.
No, sir.
Okay.
View the version details, everything.
Okay, super. No worry, Vaishnavi, it won't cause any problem. Okay. Vishwamitra, are you done till here? Hello? Vishwamitra, are you there? Okay. Vaishnavi, go to Google and type Eclipse download. And everybody, please download Chrome. The automation we are going to do in the Chrome browser.
I need to open a.
Eclipse download, just type it, Eclipse download, that's enough. The first link you click. Fine, Vaishnavi, fine. It will go to the same place. Give me, anyway, I have access, right? Let me do it. Don't do it, Vaishnavi, I will take it. Click on this download packages. There are two ways we can download. Either we can download the exe and install. Otherwise, directly we can download the packages. Okay. What is that? Can you scroll down little? Yeah. Here, Eclipse IDE for Java developer. Which one? Ours Windows 64-bit. Vaishnavi, click on this 86 and 64.
This one, right?
Not that one. Might be it is the same. Here, Windows. Down, Vaishnavi. Eclipse.
Yeah, I did it.
Not that one, Vaishnavi.
Oh.
Wait. Listen first. Leave it. I will do it. Okay. Here, yeah, that one you click. Here you click on download. Save it. Shiva, you have done till here?
Yeah, sir.
And guys, whatever the softwares are, we are downloading Java, the Eclipse, keep it in one place. Create some separate folders. Keep it, whatever from today we will do. Everything should be go to that folder only. It will be useful for you going forward. Okay, Vaishnavi? Okay, go to that folder. Just directly open it. We need to extract. Oh, it's okay. Extract. It's taking too much. It's very slow.
That system is slow.
Okay. So what about others? Any other people are there in the class?
Yeah, sir. Complete.
You have extracted. And what you will do now, Shiva, the whatever Eclipse. You share your screen, Shiva. Vaishnavi, you stop it. I mean, it's taking time. We will take things. Shiva, just share the screen. Vishwamitra, you are not there. Just Shiva, yeah, please share Shiva.
Yeah, sir.
Shiva, I can see. Shiva, I couldn't see about your Eclipse wala. I mean, program I am seeing. I want to show them how to extract and where to save. It's okay, Shiva, leave it. I will share my screen. It's okay, you stop it.
I download before the class, sir.
Acha. No, it's okay. Let me share my screen. I will tell you guys. You can see my screen, right?
Yeah, sir.
See, once you downloaded Eclipse, let me create. Vaishnavi, you people can see after extracting, you can see this Eclipse like this. Okay. Now what you have to do, you should not change this location anytime. It should be one place. Now, Vaishnavi, what you will do now? Right click and here you can, what you can do, send, where is shortcut, man?
Show more options.
Sorry?
Show more options.
Show more option. Okay. Send to here. Desktop create shortcut. Okay.
Yeah.
Done, Vaishnavi? Still it is extracting.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's say once you extracted, you can see like this and keep it in one folder, like your wish, like software, whatever you want. Then here, after coming to here, it will be created shortcut. Then what you will do, just double click on it. Now here you can see the workspace. Workspace is nothing but in the which location you have to store all your program. Now what I will do, I don't want the default one. I will create one folder here. Let's say go to new, create folder. Let's say Java Selenium. Okay, one folder Selenium workspace. Oh, Shiva, you have taken the default one or you have created your own folder?
Yeah,
Default one you have taken, no worry, but you should not change that location and all. Every time you should be careful and don't check this checkbox. If you check this checkbox, always this location only it will take. It's very difficult to again removing and preventing that which location again if you want to change it, it's difficult. Don't check this checkbox. If I click on launch, it looks like this. Clear, done.
yeah.
Vishwamin, you are done. Shiva, I have seen. Vaishnavi. Somebody can speak, no? Vaishnavi, are you there?
Yeah.
Till here done. Either you can able to open the Eclipse. Umameshwar, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Did you done?
I am doing, sir, doing. It is. The Eclipse. Eclipse I have done, sir. Eclipse.
Did you open it? Like, did you? It is coming like this. Just send that shortcut to the desktop and double click on it.
Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah.
Sir, pin message. Pin message.
Please, if everybody has done till here, let me know.
Sir, I think
It's
it's time.
It will take time.
Yeah. Maybe you can continue, sir.
Yeah,
tomorrow.
okay, fine. Yeah, just to watch the video. Today, I will explain now how Eclipse looks, how it will work. Okay. So the Eclipse one, if you want to create, let's say Java means, first we need to understand about how to create the workspace and how to create the what we can project. Then we have to know how to create the class, then packages, then methods, then program. This is the basic things. Okay. In coming to here also, let me make a note what and all we require at the beginning stage to do to continue with the Selenium. First, we need to know this. Let me make a note of Java concepts for Selenium. First, we need to understand class, object, package, method. Okay, then we need to understand data types. Third one, operators. Then what else? Data types.
Conditional statements.
Yes. Conditional statements like
Loops.
yeah,
Loops.
if
condition.
if else can go for switch also.
Which okay.
Okay. That's it. That three we can discuss. And
Loops.
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 Yeah. Loops, what and all we
For
can
loop.
do.
For
While,
loop. While. For loop.
do while.
Do while. For loop.
Yeah. For loop. This things is enough.
Okay.
Then 6 strings. I mean, nothing.
Okay.
Strings also basic thing is enough. Okay. Strings. Then collections. In the collection, no need to learn everything. Collections. In this, we need to learn list and set. Okay. Then we have, anyway, we will get it, exceptional handling. Exceptions. Then what else we can, arrays. Okay. These are the main things. In OOPS concept also, just for interview purpose, we can have a look. Object-oriented programming, OOPS means. Like, it's a this class object, this class object, these things will come under OOPS concept only. Method overloading. Method overriding. Inheritance. Okay. Polymorphism. Okay, guys. So anybody have idea on these things? Shiva, Vaishnavi?
Yeah, sir. Little bit idea.
With the
Okay.
idea.
That is enough. As for the Selenium, basic idea is enough. If you are interested, you want to learn more, let's say you can explore any type. These are the main topics required for Selenium to do the automation. Till now, see, if no need to learn in depth, at least you know what is what. That is enough. But if we consider interview perspective, at least you have to spend more time. More time in the sense, according to the requirement which company you are applying, based on that, people has to learn. But doing coding, Selenium coding, and all these things are enough. Also high level, if you know it enough. What is the data types, operators, conditional statement, when you have to use the if else and switch statement, and looping condition, when you have to use the while and do while, and for loop, when you have to use. And strings also, there are different methods. How to use that, you need to know it. That's it. Collections, list and set, exceptions, arrays. These things are enough. And how we will proceed, no? This is like a till year one stretch. If you know basics of these things, that is enough to start. And this concept, whenever we are going forward, we will start with the Selenium. Whenever this concept is required for Selenium, then we will learn and we will move to the next topics. It will be like that. Clear, Shiva?
Yes, sir.
Vaishnav?
I have idea on first to 5 concepts only.
Then that is enough, Shiva. We just to go through with, I mean, more knowledge, try to get it more in-depth knowledge. Okay. So if basics is enough, then we will start with Selenium. I think let think of it, some 2-3 max 3 classes we will take it up. Then we will jump into the Selenium. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Anybody have any queries? Vaishnavi, Vishwamitra, Momashwar? Any queries you have? Any doubts? What we are gonna learn? Hello.
No, Suresh.
Okay, cool. Let's say these are the topics we required. If you get anytime, if you are free and all, just go through with this concept. It will help us going forward. Okay. Let me show it how to create the project. You can create it from here only. Instead of that, what best practice, go to file, new, Java project. Let's say, let me give the project name as John 5th. Batch Java project. And finish it. No, don't create this one. Yeah, this is the project. Under project, you can see defaultly JRE system libraries and SRC will be coming. Now we have to create the, I'm creating just a structure, how it will be. Under SRC, click on new, click on package. Just create the package. Let's say same name, I will do Java package. Then under this package, we need to create the class. New. And sorry, one more thing. You people can explore about access modifiers also. Like public, private, default, protected. Okay, just see what is what. That's it. Sorry. Now I want to create what a class. Let's say Java class. Just any name you can give. And after class, we need to create the methods. But here we can, it is giving the session. Always remember that Selenium will, sorry, Java will look for this main method, public static void main method. Let's say if I am not checking that one, if I am not taking it, how it will show. Now I have created the class. See the structure. First project. After creating project, SRC will come defaultly. Then package under the class I have created. Now, if I do right click, run as, if you want to run the code, you have to do run as. Here, if you are not using the main method, it won't show any Java application to run it. Okay. Now we need to add main method. How, if you forget to check that checkbox while creating class, how we can add it? You can write it main control space. It will give the suggestions. Here you can see the main method. We can select it. Clear? What is the class and what is the package and what is the project? Anybody have any doubts till here?
No, sir.
Okay. Mameshwar, I think Vishwamitra, she couldn't able to speak. I don't know what is happening. At least can you ping Vishwamitra?
Suresh,
Yeah, frame.
yeah, this public stat void main string, it is always like the same
Yes,
when
we should
we
not.
create a class.
Exactly. This is the format. We should not change it.
Okay.
Always this method should be there. If it is not there, the code won't understand this is Java program and all.
Okay. When we forgot, we have to just put main here. Then we will get it.
Main and control space, if you give it will kind of suggestion, then we have to select it.
Okay, main control space. Okay,
Yeah.
thank you.
No problem. Afrin, did you not attend it previously for this Selenium and all?
Here and there I missed many classes. Like, I told like my daughter is going to school at that time. And my husband
But I
office.
remember you said I will watch the videos later.
Yeah, but these are, I'm brushing up and it's very good for me.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Clear, guys. I think Deepak, can you check with Vishwamitra? She couldn't able to speak. Can you ping her and check it?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. Vaishnavi, clear?
Yeah.
Okay. So can you, Vaishnavi, can you tell me what is class?
In class.
Class. See, let me write it down, guys. Yeah. What is class? Anybody? Shiva?
Object creator.
Hello, Shiva, can you tell me what
Yeah.
is class?
Yeah, no, sir.
No, what we have done, how we created class, at least that.
Yeah, processes I have idea, but what is
It's okay.
class?
No problem. Class is the definition is collection of variables and methods. Okay.
Yeah.
Collections of variables and methods. Okay. Then what is method? Block of code which contains the logic. Okay.
Yeah, sir.
Which contains logic. Then what is object? Object is nothing but instance of class. So simple words. Let's see here only in program. You can see this is class. What is the class name? Java class. I have written, let's say I can give like something first Java class. Anything I can give. While creating the class, I can give that class name like this. First Java. Like this, okay. Let me change the name. Okay. This is the class. You can see this is the method. What we discussed about class means group of methods and variables. I can give like variables like this into A. Okay. Into B, which we will discuss. Okay. This and all the group. These are the variables. This is the method. Group of variables and method is nothing but a class. What is the method I said? What I said method means block of code. This is the code. I can see, let's say I can do int A plus B. Logic I am writing. Let's say C equal to A plus B. The method is block of code which gives some logic. Got it?
Yes.
Do you see one by one? What is the object means? So object is nothing but instance of class means I can create like, for example, this one. First class Java, we will use A equal to, let's say, new instance of class. I said instant means we are creating object is nothing but instance of class. If I write like this, I am creating some memory for this class. Whatever I am doing here, backend it will store. If it will create one location, there it will store it, all the information. This is nothing but an object. By using new keyword, we will create the object in the Java. Clear, guys? Still here?
Yeah, clear, sir.
Vaishnavi?
Yeah, sir.
Okay.
Once again explain.
Which one?
This one is no, not object.
Object means we have to use the class name. An object is nothing but instance of class. What is instance? That word instance means we are telling that by providing new keyword, we are telling that we are gonna do some logics in this class. Please create some space in the backend. Got it, Mameshwar? For that, how we need to tell it? This is the class name. I will give the reference. This is the reference variable A is. Then by using new keyword, what you need to do? This is the class name. I need to give brackets. This is, we generally, if you give brackets, we'll call it as constructor or method. Both of them. Okay.
Okay.
We always, it will end with the semicolon.
Semicolon.
Okay, always the each
Okay.
line of the code will end with semicolon. Now this is what will happen. I will tell what exactly this line of code will do. One second, let me open this. In the back end, there is one pool. This is the memory with the reference variable A. For that class, what is that Java first class is there? No, that is the class name. For this, it will create one space, or let's say one folder kind of thing. Here, whatever you do the logic, let's say you are assigning one B equal to 10. This value will come and sit over here. Getting it, Mameshwar?
Yeah, sir. Yeah.
Let's say, for example, you are creating one method. Let's say X method. That method also will come and sit over here. We are creating one memory location for this class. That is object.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Always remember, see, this is the class name. If I give X, I have to give X A equal to new X method. Okay. Okay, guys. Just go through with this till here and get it resolve all the issues with the downloading the Eclipse and also Java. Okay. Then we will start tomorrow onwards. In the each topic we will go, whatever the basics, we will see how many days we will take it up. Or if you are getting, I mean, I feel it 2-3 classes is enough for this basic concept. Then this, see, let's say for example, strings, collections. Whenever, let's say tomorrow we are going to start with Selenium, which required a list and set. That time we will cover this list and set, then we will proceed. We'll go like that. If you teach everything, if you learn on the stretch, we will forget which one has to use it during the Selenium. Okay, clear, Shiva, Vaishnavi?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So first till here, till fifth concept is enough to start with whatever this one basics. Like, see, this today, this is enough. What we learned: how to create the class, how to create object, how to create the package, how to create the method. This is enough. What we learned today, that is enough to proceed further. Then we'll go and learn tomorrow. We will learn about the data types and operation. Then we will see what is the conditional statements. Then we'll go for loops. Then we will, after this, we will enter into the Selenium, or how to configure the Selenium into our Eclipse with the Java, and what is Selenium exactly. Then in between, whenever the concept required for string Java concept for Selenium, then we will learn and we will proceed. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Chalo, guys. Then we will meet tomorrow. And Vaishnavi and Vishwamitra, Deepika, just to inform Vishwamitra to have a look in this video if she couldn't able to speak now.
Okay.
Okay, Deepika. And Deepika, for this, create separate folder and mention that anything, either you can continue the class names from previous also, but keep the name like a Java installation like that.
Okay, sir.
It will be helpful, but don't forget to mention the class numbers.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Deepika. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. We will meet tomorrow at the same time. And whoever have getting, chance, just to brush up this Java concept, whichever we mentioned it. Okay. Chalo then. Bye, guys.
Thank you, Suresh.
Thank you so much.